Oh, there we are. Please wait. Hi. My name is Ferdinand. I'm a plumber. I've been a plumber for 20 years. I really want a girlfriend because I haven't had a girlfriend since never. I've never had my first kiss. Guess how old I am? 37. You know, I've hugged my nephews and I've felt a connection. I mean, nieces. Nieces. And I have this sheet on my head because I'm kind of ugly, so if a girl meets me, they can be surprised by my awesome looks, you know? Any single ladies out there? All the single ladies. All the single ladies. Call my number at 555-4432. That's 555-4432. Bye.
Oh, hi. Here's Kelly. Kelly, it's your father.
Hi, Dad. Hold on.